How to use chia seeds for weight loss. Chia seeds are becoming increasingly popular for their weight loss benefits. They have been used for centuries by the ancient Aztecs in Mexico, and they have been a staple food of the Tarahumara Indians of northern Mexico. Chia seeds are a great way to lose weight. They are high in fiber and protein, which will help you feel fuller for longer. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which will help with your mood and stress levels. Chia seeds are also a great source of essential minerals, particularly iron, calcium, and magnesium. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 23%, 17%, and 12% of the recommended dietary intakes of magnesium, calcium, and iron respectively. Black chia seeds make for a tasty addition to your breakfast or snack bar by adding an extra crunchy texture. They contain almost twice the amount of fiber compared to the traditional white variety. Adding them to your favorite smoothie will also help you reach your daily fiber goals. Health benefits may include weight loss, weight maintenance, lower LDL cholesterol, increased HDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and reduced risk of heart disease. The great debate: are chia seeds good or bad? The debate on whether chia seeds are good or bad has been going on for a long time. Some people believe that they are bad because they have high carbohydrates and low fiber, which can lead to weight gain. On the other hand, there are some people who think that chia seeds can be good for you because they have lots of nutrients like omega-3 and protein. There are a lot of health benefits from chia seeds, but the truth is that they are high in calories, which means you have to eat them sparingly. They also contain about 10 grams of sugar, so it's best to use these seeds as a substitute for other healthier ingredients such as oatmeal or quinoa. As long as you don't overindulge in these seeds, then they should be safe to consume. They can be used in many different ways, from adding them to your breakfast cereal to sprinkling them on your yogurt or salad. The best way to have a pudding-like consistency. You can add sugar, vanilla extract, or other flavors if you want to make it taste better. We share 3 simple great tasting recipes for you to try out. Number 1. Peanut butter and jelly smoothie. Add this recipe to your keto diet and healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss. And it features low-carb ingredients, mixing it with a delicious PB&J sandwich flavor. Ingredients: 1/4 cup organic chia seeds, 1 tablespoon peanut butter powder, 1 tablespoon of nuts like almond for crunchy taste, 1 cup almond or coconut milk. This smoothie can be whipped up in 5 minutes and it serves 2 glasses. Just mix. Tip: if you're allergic to peanuts, you could also use any other nut butter like almond and cashew butter, but it will change the nutritional benefits and flavor of the recipe. Number 2. Pina Colada chia seed pudding recipe. This recipe is perfect for the summer days when you want something cool and refreshing. It's also a great way to use up those chia seeds that are taking over your pantry. Ingredients: 1 can of coconut milk or 1/2 cup of coconut cream, 1/4 cup of shredded coconut, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, or 1 tablespoon. Optional toppings: pineapple, mango, whipped cream, and cinnamon. This smoothie can be whipped up in 5 minutes and it serves 2 glasses. Just mix all the ingredients in a blender and the chocolate protein-packed Energy Bites recipe. These Energy Bites are a perfect solution to a sweet tooth and an easy, healthy snack. They're also vegan and gluten-free, so they can be enjoyed by anyone. Ingredients: 1 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of almond butter or peanut butter or any other nut butter, 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 scoops of protein powder, optional. If you are a chocolate fan who is constantly on the go, then this is the perfect takeaway snack for you. Fully packed with all good nutrients to keep you satiated throughout your day. Conclusion: chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy diet. They also have high fiber content and can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. In conclusion, chia seeds are a great way to lose weight by providing you with the energy and nutrients that the body needs created into your diet. Therefore, we do recommend you include this superfood in your diet.